NBC29 forecast.
Some beautiful sunset pictures this evening. Here's one captured by Donna Stokes in Waynesboro. Can you say sky on fire? That is gorgeous. And of course, we had throughout the course of the late afternoon and now evening some more high and mid-level clouds working in, so that made for a nice sunset. Let's talk about the numbers. Today we made it up to 53 degrees. Our morning low was 21. We're currently 44 there at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. The Shenandoah Valley making it into the low 50s today as well. Some current numbers include 46 there in Charlottesville. We have 44 here in Lovingston. We've got 46 in Waynesboro, 42 right now in Louisa. Temperatures here tonight not as cold. Generally either side of 30 degrees. We'll have more cloud cover, a light southerly wind. That'll keep the temperatures elevated. And tomorrow, still a mild day, but we'll have more clouds around. Upper 40s to low 50s for the afternoon high. And then really after tomorrow, temperatures will continue to trend down. Now, a cold front will come through tomorrow evening. That looks to come through largely dry. That'll knock temperatures down in the mid to some upper 40s on Friday, fairly seasonable, and then much colder as we move into the weekend. Currently, much of Saturday looks like a dry day, the calm before the storm, if you will, with the higher impact of winter weather here on Sunday with what will likely become a developing nor'easter. You can see some of the high and mid-level clouds filtering across our skies here this evening. They'll be with us here for tonight and at times during the day tomorrow. A front well upstream, again, that comes through tomorrow evening, looks to pass through largely dry. It is fairly quiet. A couple of fronts working down from the northwest, and eventually that'll start to build some colder air in here. Meanwhile, we shift our attention out in the Pacific Ocean. This moisture that's streaming in, just beginning to stream into the Pacific Northwest, that's the ball of energy. That's the packet of energy that will dive down across the midsection of the country and eventually help spawn up a new storm here across the southeast, likely making a turn somewhere up the Carolina coast or inland, and that will impact us later on Sunday into Monday of next week. In the meantime, temperatures again at this hour in the 40s. Most of us saw highs today in the low 50s. These numbers have certainly warmed from 24 hours ago, and you can see the positive category. We're 14 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday at this time. So here we are in the morning. Temperatures either side of 30. More cloud cover builds in during the day. Upper 40s, low 50s. Front comes through tomorrow evening. That looks to pass through dry. Temperatures here Friday morning either side of 30. Friday will have more of a northerly wind and temperatures in the mid 40s. Now jumping ahead to the weekend. Right now it looks like the impact would be Sunday. This happens to be the American GFS model. It does show an earlier arrival of the snow. You see even mixed precipitation snow down across the Carolinas. Where that low develops, is it farther inland? Is it farther to the east? That has to do with mixing because warmer air aloft changes the precipitation type. But right now that potential does exist, and then most of this is out of here by early on Monday. The European model has a slower arrival with most of this on Sunday evening, Sunday night, and then out of here on Monday morning. It does show some mixing, especially across central Virginia. We'll continue to fine-tune the details in days to come. Temperatures here tonight, not too cold, either side of 30, partly cloudy. Tomorrow we'll have more clouds, but still a mild day, upper 40s, lower 50s. Then those numbers back down more so as we move into this weekend. Saturday looks largely dry but cold. We'll watch the system here on Sunday, departing early on Monday, and a cold stretch into early next week. But certainly be prepared. That potential has increased for accumulating snow and maybe some ice on Sunday.
All right, Eric, thank you.
We will be right back.